Hello everyone, today we're gonna cook stir-fry banana flour.
What are the ingredients?
Here is our ingredient. We have banana flour, mushroom, mouse ear mushroom, green onion, palm sugar, garlic, salt, and soy sauce.
How can we cook?
Here is how we do it. First, we're gonna saute our garlic. We're gonna saute this until it becomes golden brown. Next, we're gonna add our mushroom in. Indian, can you help me pass the earmuff mushroom? Thank you. Next, we're gonna add our banana flour in. And stir it until it's mixed together. Stir it about 3 minutes until it's softened. Now our stir-fry banana flour is a bit softened. Now we're gonna add our seasoning. We're gonna add our palm sugar in. Some salt. And lastly, our soy sauce. Stir it until it's mixed.
Wow, looks yummy.
Yes, it is. Next, we're gonna add our green onions and some chili to give it more color. Now our food is cooked. We're gonna serve it on our plate. And finally, we're gonna sprinkle it with some green onion. Now our stir-fry banana flour is finished. Hope you make this at home and enjoy your day. Thank you for watching.